Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our maze runner, and in this video I will tell the Claude to fix the bugs. So let me write. I see that the chief car is not following me. I am following it. Then it goes and touches trains and nothing happens. Trains pass through each other and nothing happens. Please fix all the bugs in the game. So yes guys, we sent it in for Claude. Now all we gotta do is just wait. Okay guys, let's wait. So okay guys, as we see, Claude has finished. So it means that it has finished like fixing the bugs and stuff. So in profile I have to register again because there are some bugs. Well, let us check. There has to be a sheaf. Okay, let's wait till the sheaf. 1 2 3. Okay guys, here we have the chief car. Well, it's not really passing through them, it's like just sliding near them. Yes, and it's going again in front of me. I don't know what's the point of it. It's like a dumb thing, but okay, but we have to make so that it does not even slide to them. So okay guys, this was all for today. Oh my god guys, wait, did you see? The chief car crashed. Yes guys, it crashed. So yeah guys, thank you. This was all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.